Wubba lubba dub dub.
Keep breathing. Look at me. What's happening? Look at me. Don't fall asleep.
At least we're real, Jerry. We're real.
He's looking a lot better.
He told me to tell you he's sorry you didn't have bad memories of him. If you love him, you should leave.
Good music comes from people who are relaxed. Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man,
The history of Rick's gun and help you get back to him.
Third person, you always stick up for Rick, but he doesn't care about anyone but himself.
He has the power to save or destroy entire worlds. How often do you think you might look up at the stars and wonder what might have been had you just put your faith in Rick?
My mind is racing.
Morty!
Rick, where are you?
On my workbench, Morty. Flip the pickle over. I turned myself into a pickle, Morty! I'm Pickle Rick!
Because you told me to.
Nailed it.
I like what you got. Good job.